Hello guys, good day. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano mag-deposit dito sa CPT Markets gamit ang crypto wallet or USDT. Okay? So, dito sa screen, makita po natin, ito yung ating client portal. Punta lang po kayo ng funds. Then, click nyo po yung deposit. Then, dito, hanapin nyo po yung crypto, no? Ayan. Click nyo po yung crypto. Then, sa dalawa, I'm using XPay. So, pwede rin gamitin to. Then, sa gilid, pili lang kayo ng trading account kung saan po kayo magde-deposit. It's either MT4 or MT5 account nyo. Then, the amount, naka-USD siya. So, let's say you will be depositing 100 USD. And coin name, USDT lang. And network, apat pala. No? ERC20, TRC20, BEP20 and PRC, but majority na ginagamit na karamihan is TRC20. Okay, then after that, click nyo po yung next. Okay, then dito meron tayong QR code or yung ating wallet address, okay, for this transaction. So, ang gagawin nyo po, okay, kopyahin nyo po yung wallet address, copy, or ito, copy. Then, punta kayo na inyong crypto wallet. So, in my case, I'm using Bybit. Okay? Marami naman mga crypto broker, no, na available dyan. But personally, I'm using Bybit. Okay? Okay naman, walang problema. Ginagamit ko for how many years na din. So, in this case, punta kayo na okay, withdraw. Okay? Kasi syempre, i-withdraw natin yung pera dito from Bybit papunta doon sa CPT Markets. Okay? Withdraw. Then, okay, piliin nyo po yung USDT kasi yun yung ginamit natin na coin, USDT. Then, on-chain withdrawal, yung wallet address natin, add a wallet address tayo dito. Okay, so let's say mag-a-add tayo ng bago. Okay, USDT. Tapos, ipipaste nyo po yung wallet address nyo doon na galing sa CPT Markets. Chain type. Okay, remember, TRC20 yung gamit natin, no? Okay, yan, Tron. Okay, then, you can put CPT. Okay, markets. No verification needed. Okay, confirm. Then, in my case, kasi meron akong authenticator, pero if first time pa, wala naman to. So, I'll just put my authentication code. Okay. Ayan. So, balik kayo doon. Okay. Withdraw tayo ulit. Okay. Withdraw. Okay. Tapos, hanapin nyo lang po yung okay. Sorry. Anong po muna? USDT muna. Tapos, hanapin natin yung wallet na nakalagay yung CPT Markets. Ayan. Then, the amount 100 USD. Ayan. Okay. So, okay, the balance is kasi below 100 yung ating funds dito. So, kung okay naman, may fund ka dito, magiging okay dyan. Then, click nyo lang po yung confirm. And after that, automatically, okay, magbabawas dito sa ating Bybit account yung $100 and pupunta po dun sa ating CPT Markets trading account. So, yun lang. I hope nakatulong po yung video na to. So, sa sunod na video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ma-check yung copy trading ni CPT Markets, paano maging signal provider, and paano maging follower as a trader. So, yun lang. God bless. Ciao.